If you've ever faced this problem where you want to call someone on their WhatsApp and you're not able to find their contact on WhatsApp, or you have to go through several different steps to find out their number on WhatsApp and then you start calling them, I have a solution for you. It's actually very, very easy and simple. And I had to go through a real life example just now where I had to call someone. I called them on their cellular number and they had bad signals there, so I couldn't speak to them. So they asked me to call them on their WhatsApp. I had a couple of options. So one is, for example, this is just a random number 1234. If I want to, let's say, call them on WhatsApp, I have this option to create new contact, save their contact, and then go back on WhatsApp and search for their number on WhatsApp. And that way I can call them on WhatsApp. But I have a better option here, and a lot of people surprisingly are not aware of this, but you can very easily call them on WhatsApp from this very screen. It's very simple. You see this call button right here. If I long press the call button, I see three options. One is to call them on their phone. This is going to use the cellular data network. Then I have the option to call them on Meet. This is going to use Google Meet's option. And the third option is WhatsApp. If I tap WhatsApp, it gives me an option to call them on WhatsApp. Now, let's say if I tap on the button here, it's going to. So right now it says this number is not on WhatsApp. If let's say this number existed on WhatsApp, if this was a real number, because this is just a hypothetical number, if this was a real number, it's going to dial that number on WhatsApp and call that person right away. That way, it saves me a lot of time, a lot of extra taps and clicks that I have to do on my screen. That way I can just simply long press here, select WhatsApp, call them on WhatsApp. If they exist on WhatsApp, it's going to dial their number and I don't even have to ever save their number. This can work if you want to, let's say, call your Uber driver or your Kareem taxi driver, or someone that you just don't want their contact to be on your phone, but you have to still give them a call, because a lot of these times when you save these contacts, they stay on your phone for a very long time and you forget to delete them. These are unnecessary contacts. I hope this video was very helpful for you. I just found out this trick, so I thought to share it with those who are not aware of it. I know that many of you would already be aware of it, but trust me, there are a lot of people who might not know this, and this might be valuable and helpful for them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.